You feel it before you see it. A prickle on the back of your neck. A sense that someone is watching. You turn around. No one is there. But the feeling doesn't fully go away, does it? That's not paranoia. That's a 2 million-year-old alarm system, still running in the background of your skull, long after the predators it was built for went extinct. Your ancestors didn't get a second chance if they ignored that feeling. A rustle in the grass, a shadow at the edge of vision, a pair of eyes catching the light. These were often the only warning before a leopard or a rival group struck. So, the brain evolved a shortcut. It didn't wait for proof. It reacted to the mere possibility of a gaze, because false alarms cost almost nothing, and missed threats cost everything. Researchers have measured this shortcut directly. In 2006, evolutionary psychologists Kevin Haley and Dan Fessler ran a simple study where participants played a fairness game while a pair of simple eye-like dots sat on the screen, doing nothing. No one was actually watching, but people behaved more generously anyway, as if a real observer were in the room. Your brain, it turns out, cannot easily tell the difference between actual eyes and the mere suggestion of them. This isn't limited to lab screens. Behavioral scientist Melissa Bateson found something similar in a university coffee room. For weeks, a simple poster alternated between a photo of eyes and a photo of flowers above an honesty-based payment box. Under the eyes, people paid nearly 3 times more for their coffee. Nobody was actually monitoring the box. But something ancient in the visitors' minds treated the image as a witness. Why would a brain built for survival also become a brain obsessed with reputation? Because for most of human history, being watched wasn't just about danger. It was about belonging. Your ancestors lived in small, tightly knit bands where every action was seen by someone who mattered. Getting caught stealing, cheating, or shirking could mean exile. And exile in the ancient world usually meant death. So the feeling of being observed became fused with the instinct to behave well. Watching eyes didn't just mean danger. They meant judgment. That fusion never left you. It's why you sit up straighter when someone walks into the room. It's why security cameras change behavior even when no one is reviewing the footage. It's why a single photograph of eyes on a donation box can raise contributions without a word being spoken. Your brain isn't calculating odds. It's running an ancient program that assumes a face means an audience, and an audience means consequences. So the next time that prickle runs down your neck in an empty room, or you catch yourself behaving a little better because a picture on the wall seems to be looking at you, remember what's actually happening. You're not imagining a threat. You're hearing an echo of every ancestor who survived by taking a gaze seriously, real or not. And in a way, you're never really alone. You're just accompanied by every set of eyes that ever kept your bloodline alive.